Hello everyone, this tutorial is going to show you how to put your timeline on your wiki page or embed your timeline. Okay, first thing you do is log into your TimeToast account. Once you see your name up here, you know you've logged in properly. There are a few different ways to check your timeline, so you can click your timelines or view your timelines. When you do that, TimeToast is going to take you to the timelines you've made. So far you probably only have one timeline. This timeline right now needs to be published. So you'll probably have the same message as I do here. You don't have any public timelines yet. We need to publish it. Once we publish it, then we can get the code to put the timeline on our wiki page. So simply click Publish. Alright, there we go. Public timelines, right there. The next thing I need you to do is click on your timeline and it will take you to your timeline, right there. Now that the timeline is public, what we can do is embed. And notice it says embed timeline elsewhere on the web. That's what we want. Click that and it'll give you an embed code. That's the code we want. So click it or highlight the whole code. It's a very long code and I'll quickly show you all this. Okay, so highlight the whole thing, copy it. Now go to our wiki and you need to, of course, embed it onto your own page. So let's pretend I am Melissa. So I'm going to go into my page and of course I'm going to edit my page. Okay. Be very careful where you put your timeline. I should be able to see your timeline close to the top of your page. It should always stay in the same spot. So leave your welcome message there. It should be at the very top. Your picture should always be there. Put your timeline just below your picture. Okay? It should always be there. Alright, so I'm going to just put timeline and there's my title. I'm going to make it a little bigger, underline it so it looks more organized, and I'm going to put my cursor here and I'm going to click widget. Notice it says embed widget. So click widget, go down on the left here all the way down to other HTML, and remember we copied the code, so here you're going to have to paste it. Don't change anything in here, leave it alone and click save. And then click save again. Wait patiently. And you'll be able to scroll down. And there's your timeline. Now we probably only have one event. That's why it's only one. Now the cool thing about it is if I edit my timeline, so I'm going to show you an example of what happens. So I'm just going to make something up here. Okay, so let's say I added another event in addition to the one we have already. So here's another event. Okay, now watch what happens to our timeline. Nothing here, but watch what happens when I refresh the page. The timeline the event I added onto the timeline is automatically added to the timeline on my wiki page. All I had to do was just refresh. So you don't always have to get the embed code and put the embed code into the wiki page. It automatically updates once you refresh. So once you embed it once, that's it. Then you just keep changing and adding information, and it automatically updates on our wiki page. Thank you for watching.